kuendelea mbele. Sasa my father was the general, they got a match like a federal, especially like a mineral land was a federal. So respect that's a king. Even Palestine and the ring. And my immigrant thing there. I mean. But anyway, no man lives forever. I mean. Hungary family fans, I will respect to the maximum to the fullest.